Hey, it's Gino at WTI. And if you spend a lot of time in the garden like I do, pulling things that have thorns or dealing with blackberries, then you have got to get a pair of these leather gloves from FEISHDEK. Before I got them, I was constantly scratching my arms up because I have a ton of blackberries to clear out of our property. These are strong and durable, and as you can see, they actually prevented the thorn from getting through these layers. Not only are these double layer on the palm and wrapping around to the back and the front of the fingers, but also the thumb and first two fingers have an additional padding on the tip to give you that extra protection. The gloves are very comfortable. They're actually really soft on the inside, and I love that they're gauntlets. So they come up to just below my elbow, and you can actually tighten them if you want to get a closer fit. I got the size medium. These fit me a little loosely, which is what I wanted because I often wear my fitness ring underneath them, and I don't want them getting too tight or constricting. These have been a total hand and arm saver. I'm so happy that I have them, and I think that you're going to love them too. And that's my point of view.